In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to optimize Adobe Acrobat Reader performance. If you've been noticing that your Adobe Acrobat Reader is not running as smoothly as you'd like, don't worry, you're not alone. Many people find that over time, performance can lag a bit. But with just a few tweaks, you can enhance its speed and improve your overall experience. Let's dive right into it. The first thing you want to do is open Adobe Acrobat Reader. Once you have it open, look towards the top left corner of your screen and find the Edit menu. Click on it, and from the drop-down list that appears, select Preferences. This will open a new window displaying a variety of categories on the left side. In this menu, look for Page Display. When you click on Page Display, you'll see a bunch of options pop up on the right side of the window. Now, this area is crucial because it's where a lot of the magic happens for performance optimization. One of the first things you'll see is an option for smooth text, smooth line art, and smooth images. These are features designed to make the text and graphics look really crisp and clear. But here's the catch. They can also slow down your system's rendering performance. If you're experiencing lag or slowdowns, consider disabling them, or at least reducing their level. To do this, simply uncheck the boxes next to these options. If you prefer not to disable them entirely, you might want to set them to a lower setting. This adjustment could very well provide a noticeable improvement in performance with minimal impact on visual quality. Another tip involves the Use Page Cache function. This feature allows Acrobat Reader to store pages in memory, which can be useful if you frequently switch between files, as it makes reloading pages faster. However, if you find that your system lags when you open multiple files or large documents, it's worth testing the performance difference with this option disabled. To do this, simply uncheck the Use Page Cache box in the same page display settings. Once you've made these changes, click OK at the bottom of the Preferences window to save your settings. Now, give it a try and see if you notice an improvement in performance. These tweaks can help make your Adobe Acrobat Reader experience much more efficient and enjoyable, especially if you're working with large documents or multiple files. As you work, remember that the aim is to find a balance that suits your needs. You might find that some features are more essential for certain tasks than others. Feel free to revisit these settings and tweak them as necessary to better suit your workflow. I hope you find these tips helpful. They may seem small, but together they pack a punch in terms of performance enhancement. Thanks for joining me today, and happy reading.